In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your videos in Google Drive. Whether you've uploaded videos recently or some time ago, it's important to know where to find them efficiently. Let's dive into this easy process, step by step. Firstly, let's navigate to Google Drive. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to drive.google.com. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to enter your Google account details to proceed. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface of Google Drive, which includes sections like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent. These categories help you organize your files for easier access. Now that you're in Google Drive, finding your videos can be done in a few different ways. One straightforward method is to use the search bar at the top. Go ahead and click in the search box. A drop-down menu will appear, offering search options such as type, owner, and location. If you want to specifically find videos, click on Type and then select Videos from the list. This filters your search results to only include video files, which can be incredibly helpful if you have a lot of documents or images in your drive. Another effective method is browsing through your folders manually. If you have a specific organization system with folders, navigating through your folders might be the quickest way to find what you need. Click on My Drive in the left-hand sidebar and start navigating through your folders using the folder names as cues to where your videos might be stored. Keep an eye out for folder icons that resemble a camera. These often indicate video-rich folders. If the videos have been shared with you by someone else, they might be located in the Shared with Me section. Click on this section to see a list of files and folders shared by others. This can be particularly useful if you're collaborating on projects and need to access group files. Lastly, to ensure that your files are easily accessible in the future, you can add them to Starred or move them into a more convenient folder. To star any file, right-click on the video and select Add to Starred. This moves the video into your Starred section, making it easier to find next time. In conclusion, Google Drive offers several convenient ways to find your videos, whether through the search function, browsing folders, or exploring shared content. By organizing your videos and adding frequently accessed ones to your starred list, you'll ensure a streamlined and efficient experience. Thank you for following along with today's guide. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.